Got a Neco NC50. This one's outside now. We've got some petrol in it. Gasoline for you Americans. And we're going to give it a start. There's a stainless steel exhaust that's on it. So interesting, this one. It's a safety thing with being a 50. You need to take the side stand up before we can run the engine. So sit on the bike first. Got the gauge there. Fires straight up. Real nice deep tone to the exhaust. I did warm it up first before I started it. What a cool thing. Real smooth engine. Double overhead cam. 5-speed gearbox. All it needs. Got plenty of torque to the bike. It's easy to ride. Gearbox is really nice. Goes in the gears, easy, nice neutral light indicator there. Done 0 miles, but I have been around the car park already on it. I've got no camera mount, so I can't take you for a ride yet. But there's the Neco. Let's turn her off. Yep, put the side stand down. What I found with riding it is because the seat is nice and long there and reasonably level, you just sit where it's comfy. So I'm 5'10", well used to be, and yeah, I fit on that quite nice. It rides nice, the gear change is nice, the distance between brake levers and gear levers and the foot peg means that a normal sized foot can get in there. Yeah, we like this a lot. Come down and have a look, Lincolnbikes.